I don't want to talk if it makes you feel bad. Understand. You come to shake my hand. I apologize if it makes you feel bad. But what can I say? No more ace to play. The winner takes it all. The loser standing small beside her victory. That's her destiny. I was in your arms, thinking I belonged there. I figured it made sense, building me a fence, building me a home, thinking I'd be strong there. But I was just a fool, playing by the rules the gods may throw the dice, and mine's as cold as ice. And someone way down here loses someone deep. The winner takes it all. The loser has to fall. It's simple and it's plain. Tell me, does she kiss like I used to kiss you? Does it feel the same when she calls your name? Somewhere deep inside, you must know I miss you. But what can I say? Rules must be obeyed. The judges will decide. The likes of me abide. Spectators of the show, always laying low. The game is on again. A lover or a friend, a big thing or a small, the winner takes it all. I don't want to talk if it makes you feel sad. You see me so tense, no self-confidence. I apologize if it makes you feel bad. But I understand. You've come to shake my hand. But you see, the winner takes it